Now, Psalms 133 is a Psalm of David that we know. This one is about camaraderie, learning to love each other and work together. So we can see this literally in a form of quorums in the church, of dealing with priesthood quorums and things, but in the greater sense of the ward families and things like that as well. I think it still applies. So let's jump in here. Verse 1, behold how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. Now, that makes a lot of sense. The New Revised Bible actually takes the word brethren out and puts kindred in. So they broaden this one out a little bit more. So it's not just men, but everybody. But verse 2, it is like the precious ointment upon the head that ran down upon the beard, even Aaron's beard, that went down to the skirts of his garments. So this is the anointing oil that has been given to prepare him for priestly duties. So it does make sense why brethren would be used in this translation, because it's dealing with priesthood, and that it's a good thing when priesthood brethren work together. When they can come together and work together, that's important. So whatever size quorum you are, whatever you're calling in the priesthood, learning to come together with your priesthood brethren is a good thing. God delights in that, and it helps out. In fact, verse 3, they say, as the dew of Hermon, and as the dew that descended upon the mountains of Zion, for there the Lord commanded the blessing, even life forevermore. So God can bless us more, can distill the dews of heaven on us when priesthood brethren work together in harmony and unity. Very important point. If you're in a presidency, a quorum, in a ward, a stake, or whatever, come together. Learn to work together with your fellow priesthood brethren, and really with everybody in the ward. The more we have love and peace, that section, Doctrine and Covenants section 121 verses 41 through 43, the more of that attribute we have, the better it is. And that's what Psalms 133 is getting at. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I hope you're having a good time with them. Please hit the like button as well. Make sure you're subscribing also to these videos, and share them. Share these out with others. If you want to study the scriptures one chapter a day, this is an easy way to do it, because that's how we've designed all of our videos. So I look forward to seeing you in the next chapter also.